awkward intro. Not really. It's my first video! Oh my gosh. So I just want to have a shout out to the viewer right there. I think it's gonna be right there. But I have a record. I don't know what besides the record, I have a which you guessed it, an ice cream machine. I'm gonna make ice cream today. It is like 8:04 p.m. Yeah. You just know it. I love you, Walians. Aliens, my favorite color is orange. Let's slap the shirt. Oh, it's gonna be sitting here in my video. I might sing little, but it's my first video, so yeah. Yeah, I do wear eyeliner. People ask me that a lot. And I do wear nail polish. It says Father's Day. That's it. I don't need my mouse. Wireless. I remember the Yeah. I'm so tired. It's summer school. Yay! Not really. But I love Jaden Westbrook. If you don't, you're an idiot. Love him. See the heart? See it? It goes like this. Like that. That's all I know. Say goodbye to my mama. Goodbye!